All right, so we're going to talk about some relations. And when we talk about a relation, all we're doing is talking about a set of ordered pairs. Well, we know that ordered pairs come from our coordinate grid, or coordinate plane that we talked about yesterday. But here is an example of a relation, and so a lot of times we will name them like a number. So we'll say it's a relation of A. And remember, it's a set of ordered pairs, and every ordered pair has an X value first, then a Y value. So if we list these ordered pairs, and we're just putting a comma between each ordered pair, -4, -3, and then we have, let's just say 4, +3. All right, and so we put that in those brackets because that's the whole relation, is all of those ordered pairs. Well, we have what we call the domain and then the range. Well, the domain is the X coordinates of all of those ordered pairs. And remember, the X coordinate is the one that's listed first. And so usually we just say capital D is equal to, and we'll make these brackets, and then we'll say, okay, well, what are all my X values? Well, my X values, that first one in each of those ordered pairs. And so we're just going to list them out. So 2, -3, -4, and 4. And that's your domain. Then we have the range. Well, the range is going to be your Y coordinates of all of those ordered pairs. And that's just usually denoted by a capital R. And we make those little brackets again. And remember, it's these the Y values here. So we're just going to list that second one. So we've got 3, 2, -3, and 3. Well, notice we have this 3 listed twice, and we do not have to list it twice. We only have to list it once. So we can take that one off and close our brackets, and that is the range for that relation that we were given. Okay, so now let's just go and draw some on our coordinate grid. Let's label some points. All right, I'm going to just list some points over here. Let's say A is at -2, 5. B is at 3, 2. C is at -4, -3. D is at 0, -5. And let's say E is at, let's say 4, -2. Okay, so let's go label them all. Remember, each one of these we will say is one unit. All right, so point A is at -2, so that's -2 on the x-axis, and then up +5. So that should be our point A, -2, +5. B is at 3, so we're going to go over 3 units on the x-axis, and then up 2 on the y-axis. So that is point B, 3, 2. C then is at -4, so -4 units on the x-axis, and down -3 units on the y-axis, and so that is at point C, -4, -3. D is at 0, -5. Well, remember, this is our origin at 0, 0. So we're going 0 units on the x-axis. So we're not going anywhere. He's going to stay right there. And then we're going to go -5 on the y-axis. So we're going to go down -5 to right here. And that is point D at 0, -5. And then E is at +4, -2. Okay, so what if we are told to write the domains for these? And so let's just say here's our domain, and we can just look at the ordered pairs, or we can look at a graph and see all these x values that were given here, remember? Or we can just look at the ordered pairs. So you can, given either one, you should be able to write the domain. So that's -2, +3, -4, 0, and 4. Then our range, remember, are the y values. So we should be able to either look at a graph and see all these y values that are on here, or we can just look at ordered pairs. So I just wanted to do it both ways so that you can see that you can come up with them different ways. Okay, so what if you have a question that asks you write the set of ordered pairs for the relation y is equal to 2x if the domain is -2, 0, 1, and 3. Well, remember, domain are those x values. So we're given x values of -2, 0, 1, and 3. We're given the equation y is equal to 2x. And so our goal here is to come up with the ordered pair, which means we need the y value for that. All right, well, if x is -2, that means y is 2 times x, which is -2. So y is 2 times -2 is -4. So that ordered pair is -2, -4. So here, x is 0. So y is equal to, if x is 0, what's y? 2 times 0 is 0. So that ordered pair is 0, 0. Well, now x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 times x, which is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So that ordered pair is 1, 2. Now if x is 3, y is equal to 2 times x, which is now 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So that ordered pair is 3, 6. And then if you were told to list the domains, you could list, well, we already have the domains listed up here, but if we were told then to add the range values, we can list the range values as -4, 0, 2, and 6. We know that those are our y values. So that is some information about relations that you're going to need to know for the next sections.